Shopping for a car battery has to be one of the least fun things about having a car. Most of the time, it happens after you've tried to start the car more than once. Sometimes it's a bad cell, sometimes the battery keeps going dead, and sometimes it's just time to change the battery. Whatever the reason, going to get a new battery is never an exciting trip. Adding to that frustration is that every auto parts shop, dealership, and big box store has so many batteries that it's hard to choose which one will work best. Before you go inside, you ought to examine the battery's group size, its cold cranking amps, and its age. That last factor might mean the difference between a full, free replacement under warranty and a full-priced new battery. Find out if the battery needs to be replaced with a lead, acid type, or a newer AGM type. But even with this knowledge, picking a battery brand is a big and potentially expensive decision. Does the driver want to use the battery made by the car's original maker or a well-known and trusted aftermarket brand? Is price the most important thing to this owner, or is it power and dependability? Keep watching to find out more about the best car battery brands and why some are better than others. Before we proceed, if you are new to this channel, this is where we bring you the best brand reviews and what makes them special. So feel free to subscribe and like this video. Number 9 is Interstate. Interstate batteries with green labels and sometimes green caps can be bought at different places, as well as at their own Interstate, all battery centers, and Costco stores. Interstates are good replacement batteries with an interesting past. They come in a wide range of sizes and uses. In 1952, one man sold batteries out of the back of his pickup truck. Since then, Interstate has grown and now sells 19 million batteries each year. They are well known, easy to get, and come in almost every size known to man. Their guarantees start at 18 months and go up to 48 for their best AGMs, which puts them in the middle of the pack. The things that make Interstate interesting also make it hard to suggest. Clarios, Exide, or Delphi produce a large number of the batteries on our list. However, Interstate batteries are made by several different companies that all share the same brand name. Even though makers usually have to meet certain standards for each brand of battery they make, it's hard to keep things consistent when the batteries are made in different plants or factories. So this isn't a bad thing about how stable these batteries have been in the past, but it is something to think about. Number 8 is Motorcraft. The Ford Motor Company makes its own brand of batteries, which can be bought at Ford dealerships and places like O'Reilly Auto Parts. This means that people who want to keep home parts on their cars can get new batteries almost anywhere. Most of the time, all of these places will also offer guarantees. The most obvious benefit of this choice is that Ford now knows exactly which batteries fit which Ford cars. This makes it less likely that a kid at the parts desk will pick the wrong aftermarket option from a list of 3. Clarios makes Ford Motorcraft batteries, which is good news for yourselfers and techs who work on Fords, because it means that these batteries are made by the company that makes most car batteries in the United States. Each brand has its own labels and specs, but the overall quality of Clarios and the reliability of Ford's parts brand make it easy to suggest Motorcraft batteries to people who drive cars made by the famous American automaker. Number 7 is AC Delco. AC Delco batteries, which are available from third-party vendors as well as directly from GM, are reasonably priced and come in a variety of group sizes and performance ratings. They provide a basic warranty of 18 to 48 months, depending on pricing tier, a variety of group sizes tailored to fit GM vehicles, and a few AGM choices. While they are officially acknowledged by General Motors as the only batteries recommended by GM for their vehicles, they lack functionality and alternatives. Having said that, GM's AC Delco branded batteries offer the same advantage as Ford's Motorcraft batteries in that they were designed by the firm for its own cars and trucks, and, as a result, can be depended on to have the correct fitting and power needed to start reliably in those vehicles. Clarios, they also share a manufacturer with Ford. Most AC Delco batteries also include something else we haven't mentioned yet: strong, integrated handles. That function may appear unneeded, but battery installers will enjoy it while trying to fit a replacement battery into the increasingly tight battery housing under the hood of a newer vehicle while it's snowing outside. Number 6 is Bosch. Bosch offers a durable, well-regarded battery at a reasonable price. They provide a wide range of quality tiers and group sizes, ranging from the entry-level 3 line with a 1-year warranty to the 6 series of AGM batteries with 4 years of full replacement coverage. For individuals who do not want to install their own batteries, Bosch batteries are available at their own service facilities. Bosch batteries are available from different online retailers for the do-it-yourself population. Because many of their batteries have a higher than average cold cranking amps, Bosch is ideal for drivers who make extensive use of aftermarket electrical options and accessories. Notably, Bosch provides free roadside assistance to Line and above owners while their batteries are under warranty. This is a rare bonus in the industry, and it gives Bosch an advantage over its mid-tier competitors. Number 5 is anti-gravity batteries. Anti-gravity batteries are a recent addition to the market for automobile batteries. Their niche is not to provide the most power, as do competitors such as XS, but rather to provide a sustainable solution to automotive power with lithium-ion batteries. Anti-gravity batteries are primarily used in motorsports due to their substantially lighter weight than a GM or lead-acid batteries. Anti-gravity batteries offers a variety of group sizes, including 47, 35, 94R, and 24R and 24, despite the fact that they are just entering the passenger vehicle market. More thrilling is the battery's restart technology, a wireless jump starter that is built into the battery and activated by a button on the key fob. Those stranded in the snow or sun will no longer need to open the bonnet. The battery retains a reserve even as it depletes, so a jump is available. A Bluetooth battery sensor is also available to monitor the battery status of a user's smartphone. Number 4 is XS Power. XS Power is a newer automotive battery brand that has made a name for itself in the industry with some incredibly powerful batteries. In fact, some of these batteries may even have excessive power. Their batteries feature light gray designs with bold labeling and a unique connection terminal arrangement for users connecting these batteries to costly audio and electrical accessories. Additionally, the company offers digital dashboard devices for monitoring power consumption during intense use. XS Power does not manufacture lead-acid batteries for passenger vehicles, instead opting for a GM and lithium options. In addition, they use only virgin lead as opposed to the recycled product employed by the majority of battery manufacturers. These decisions are a result of XS Power's commitment to more rigorous applications, such as auto racing and the competitive car audio market, and the company is particularly pleased with the performance of its batteries in audio competition vehicles. It is important to note, however, that terminal posts may be required if the motorist intends to use an XS Power battery in their daily vehicle. Number 3 is Odyssey. Odyssey batteries have a number of features that have propelled them to the top of our rankings, and their dedication to over-engineering has earned them a reputation for dependability. They assert that their service life, cycle life, and expiration life are longer than those of their competitors. Several of Odyssey's battery lines come with a 4-year full replacement warranty in the event of a failure, which is at least 1 year longer than the average battery warranty. Hence the moniker. The Odyssey Extreme series is renowned for its ability to reliably start a vehicle in even the most extreme temperatures. Odyssey boasts design choices such as brass terminals and pure lead plates, and their batteries typically outlast competitors by several years. Odyssey Extreme batteries can power a vehicle at temperatures ranging from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. For drivers in extreme temperature ranges, those numbers are likely far more important than the admittedly steep price tag on Odyssey's batteries. Number 2 is Die Hard. This is the battery your dad told you to put in your first car when you bought it. Die-Hard remains a great aftermarket option even after Sears sold the brand to Advance Auto Parts back in 2019. A relaunch in 2020, pairing the Die-Hard battery with Die-Hard film hero John McClane, was a popular advertising campaign that reintroduced the brand and its new availability at Advance Auto Parts stores nationwide to a new audience. However, that new ownership didn't affect the actual product because whether the Die-Hard was purchased from a Sears Auto Center or an AutoZone, the battery was still manufactured by Clarios. Die-Hard offers several performance tiers in their lead, acid, and AGM battery lines. All are backed by industry standard warranties, and in 2022, Die-Hard became the world's first automotive battery to receive circular economy validation by UL. This means that every new Die-Hard AGM battery is made from recycled material from old batteries that are returned to an Advance or CarQuest store, as Tom Greco, Advance Auto Parts President and CEO, announced in a press release. That commitment to recycling their batteries, which are generally not the nicest thing for the environment, is a responsible factor to take into account when choosing a new battery. Number 1 is Optima. Optima batteries' distinctive design decisions place them at the top of our list. Their six-pack design and spiral wound cells are utilized in both the lead-based and varieties of their batteries, resulting in an unmistakably distinctive battery in a world of bulky plastic boxes. They are not inexpensive, with the least expensive option for a 1996 Ford Ranger costing $250, but they are trustworthy, reliable, and backed by a solid warranty. Optima currently offers several distinct lines of automotive batteries, each with a distinct focus. Red top AGMs are an excellent choice for the majority of vehicles, while yellow top AGMs are ideal for newer vehicles with numerous electronic accessories. They are available at most auto parts stores and on Amazon, although forums caution that warranties on Amazon purchased batteries may not be honored. This Optima 6-pack design, which is utilized in the majority of their red top, yellow top, and blue top batteries, is spill-proof and vibration-resistant, and the dual-post configuration of some Optima batteries enables their use in multiple group-size applications. The red top, in particular, is frequently rated as one of the best batteries on the market, with high cold cranking amps, a great cost-to-value ratio, and a good reserve capacity to help make sure drivers' cars start on the first attempt. In the event that they do not, Optima provides a 3-year full replacement warranty on the red top. We have come to the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, you can get updates on new videos by subscribing and pressing the bell icon. See you in the next video, and don't forget to tell us what you think about this list in the comments.